new sort. So I have got a comment that how this code works. So let's see. So firstly, I have to import the random module in the Python program. Then I define a function dice. I know it should be named coin, but still. Then I define two variables h and t that represent heads and tails, and the values of both will be 0 and 0. Then I use a for loop that have n iterations in it. So for every iteration, this function will give a value either 1 or 2 to the variable p, and if p is 1, it will add value 1 to the h variable, and if it's 2, it will add 1 to the t variable, and at the end of this iteration the function will return the variables h and t. Then n is the input that the user will give, and print function will print the output of the function. Let's try. So I will give firstly 1,000. So as you can see, the number of heads that came is 507 and the number of tails is 493. So here it is how the function works.